Choose the measurement closest to 140 kilometers per hour. Okay, miles per hour. You can estimate this. What you may see is we're changing from kilometers to miles. You can directly calculate it, right? You can also estimate it. Kilometers to miles. That's a conversion between the two. 1 mile is 1.6093 kilometers. So if 1.6, let me just write this down. 1 mile equals like approximately 1.6 kilometers. So we have 140 kilometers per hour. What does this equal in miles per hour? We know it's going to be smaller than that because 1 mile, right? 1.6 kilometers is larger than 1 mile. So to go backwards, we have to go smaller. You could say like 100, right? If this was 160 kilometers per hour, then we could say this is approximately 100 miles per hour. That's because we have 1 and 1.6. So if this is 1.4, this is going to be less than 100. And actually, the only thing less than that is going to be 90. That's the only reasonable guess. You can, of course, just do 140 kilometers per 1 hour times 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers. And that way the kilometers cancel, the miles do not cancel. And there we have miles per hour. But it's going to be close to 90. All right, 10 centimeters. Estimate the closest length of a man's foot. Well, a man's foot is about a foot long, which is 12 inches. And inside of a foot there is, let's see, 30. You can look here. 1 foot is about 30.48 centimeters. So 1 foot is approximately 30.48 centimeters. And 260 millimeters equals 26 centimeters. 26 millimeters is 2.6 centimeters. 10 centimeters isn't close to that. 26 centimeters is close. So 260 millimeters is the closest measurement to this 1 foot measurement. So that's what we're looking for there. You can, of course, just convert a man's foot, right? You can just like measure your own foot, and it's approximately a foot long, right? 12 inches long. So you can just do the conversion, and you're looking for the number that's closest to 200. That's closest to 30.48 centimeters. The only one there is 260 millimeters. All right, these are nice and simple. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. That's on the conversion chart, but I believe it's going to be length measurements. Yep, 1 meter equals, or 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. That's pretty common unit conversion ratio with metric system. So if we have 48,500 meters times 1 kilometer over 1,000 meters, so the meters cancel, right? That's what I just did there. And the 1,000 just moved the decimal point 3 spaces. So we get 48.5 kilometers. Round to the appropriate number of significant figures. There's 1, 2, 3 sig figs, the 4, 8, and 5. The zeros don't count. And here we have 1, 2, 3 sig figs. So we are good to go for that.